Hey YouTube, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy shrimp miso soup, Japanese soup. Now this is my version, so if you choose to make it differently, you can make it any way you like. Just remember, have fun with it. So I got this is how I do it now. I got my wok heated up and I splash a couple tablespoons of oil in there. Just vegetable oil, that's all you need. And to that, I'm going to add a spoonful of horseradish, processed horseradish. I'm going to add a douse of ginger powder, about a half teaspoon. I'm going to add some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add some chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, about 2 tablespoons of that. Give that a quick stir to get everything to work together. Now to this, now also before I forget, I have my fish stock over here pre-made. And basically it's fish packets that you buy, and there's about 2 cups of water in there, and you boil the fish stock packets, the dashi packets. Now to this, I'm going to add my vegetables. I added half a cup of coarsely chopped onion, coarsely chopped celery, and coarsely chopped potato. Now you may ask, potato in Asian food? Yes, absolutely. Japanese food has a lot of potato in the recipes. Now the reason I put all this together like this, to start off with in the wok, is because I believe, and now I'm going to add about a cup and a half of shrimp. I believe that doing it this way in the wok to start with gets the spices worked into everything better. That's my opinion. Now that my fish stock is heating up over here, like I said, I already pre-cooked it. It's not hard to cook. Now if you choose to buy these packets, you can get these at any Asian grocery store, and all they are is fish stock packets. They come in little packets and you put it in a couple cups of water and boom, you have fish stock. So you want to keep this stirred around. This is delicious, believe me. Okay, my water's heating up over here. So what I'm going to do with that is, remember, this is my recipe. I'm going to take standard ramen noodles and I'm going to throw into the fish stock. It only takes a couple minutes to cook them up. Now, in case I failed to mention, I might have forgot, the potatoes are parboiled before I put them in here. I boiled them for about 5 minutes in water to soften them up a little bit. But once the shrimp turns bright pink, you know everything's basically done. And like I said, you want to keep this stuff moving. But this is one of the best Japanese soups, best tasting Japanese soups there is, in my opinion. Okay, now this is about finished, so I'm going to shut it off, shut the heat off. And now, after this is all cooked, you take a jar or a can of already pre-cooked carrots, and you add about a half a cup of carrots. See, that's why I put them in last, because they're already cooked. Then you stir them around. And they warm right up. They're ready to eat. Doesn't that look good? Now, the ramen is done. And it's cooked in the fish stock. So give it a quick stir. Shut that off. Now look how quick that meal was. Then you add everything together. Give it a stir. And there's your miso. Delicious, let me tell you. Now, if you're a vegetarian, you can add tofu. Miso is open to interpretation. You can make it any way you choose to. It's really versatile. But it's the basic of miso is fish stock. So you got to have the fish stock. So to serve this up, I just take a bowl, throw a good heaping spoonful of noodles in. If I can get a spoonful of them. Don't be afraid to make a mess. You know what they say about messy cooks, don't you? They're the best cooks. Like I've said in many of my videos, start cooking at home, people. Cook at home. You'll save so much money, and it's so rewarding. And so much fun. So from there, I usually take a couple, well, actually one hard-boiled egg. And that's my finished product. Delicious. And now I'm off to watch my Steelers. Have a good day, YouTube.